installed two solar panels, 120 watt each, 12 volt, and I use industrial double-sided tape, and then also Gorilla tape I ran along the front. So the next thing that you can see is that it's pretty much finished. I use magnets to...
This folds shut and it folds open, and it seems to be comfortable, and it seems to work.
Hey everybody, it's here. My 100 deep cycle battery. I've installed my refrigerator in my Odyssey. The issue I'm having is I'm not sure where I want this refrigerator, whether I want it inside